guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So, I have my new puppy. So, I actually have, she tried to look at me. I have 6 minutes and 17 seconds. So, subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do next week. And hit that notification bell. Ding! Something's wrong with me. Anyways, sorry, Tracy. Anyways, I'm going to see my cat. In the middle of me seeing my puppy, well, my cat, Trixie! Ouch! Trixie's freaking chasing me like a maniac. I think I'm losing. And I'm faster than her. I can outrun Trixie really easily. No, crap. Oh, crap. I know Trixie. Dang it. Help. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh crap. Okay, 1 second, guys. My stuff fell down. Oh. My cooking book list and then. Okay, I'm back. Now let's go see my kitty pitty. Okay, for real. Let's go see my kitty pitty. So, Kitty Pitty and Trixie Bixie was in the kitchen. Trixie, don't even try. Okay, so back to my bedroom. Or back to my bedroom. Oh, help! Anybody here? Don't call the cops. It's just my puppy. Just my puppy hurting me. Girl. No. That's what she gets. Ah! Trixie. So, anyways, back to my bedroom where I'm going to end off this video. So, back to my bedroom. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. And God bless you. Bye.